Alright, so I'm gonna make this video of this here. I don't know the year, but it's IC Heil 5000 garbage truck. It's sitting at an auction yard. It's already been sold, so I have no chance of getting it, but still a nice truck. Sorry, it's kind of weird. But as you can see, you got a good packer, cart tippers, dumpster dumper, video of the hopper, video in the hopper, the Heil 5000, controls, riding steps. Also, we have a older style Packmore. I couldn't find the year on this, but it has this with the hopper, 2 cart tippers, no dumpster diver, but it has the riding steps, 2 of them, control levers, and it's sitting on an old Mac. I know some of y'all would like to see the Mac, so gas tanks. Mac International. Mac International. Old Packmore. Old Heil.